Hello, my dear friends. This is Satyam, and welcome to English with Satyam. My dear friends, we were learning phrasal verbs, okay? And in the last video, we have discussed till backup, okay? So, without further delay, we are going to start the video and watch the video till end. So, let's start. The first phrasal verb of this video is backup. Means the second meaning of backup means support. Backup means support. Example is the rest of the staff backed her up when she complained about working conditions. Okay, the rest of the staff backed her up when she complained about working conditions. Okay, so when she complained about working conditions, so the rest of is stopped, so the rest of staff backed her up, means they supported her. So backup, its meaning is support. Second, the third meaning of backup is drive a vehicle backwards. Drive a vehicle backwards. Okay, Tom backed up without looking and ran over his laptop. Tom backed up without looking and ran over his laptop, means drive a vehicle backwards. Okay, so there are three meanings of backup. First meaning is backup. First meaning is make a copy of computer data. Second meaning is support, and the third one is drive a vehicle backwards. Okay, so three meanings you have to remember of backup. Next phrasal verb is back out. Next phrasal verb is bag out. Bag out. Bag out. Okay, it means criticize. Back out, it means criticize. Okay, don't bag out Australian English. Don't bang out Australian English. Okay, Australian English. Don't back out Australian English. Okay, so back out here is repeated, so you can cross it. Don't back out Australian English, it means don't criticize Australian English. Okay, next phrasal verb is bail out. Bail out means save or rescue. Bail out means save and rescue. The example is the government had to bail out the airline because it was losing so much money. The government had to bail out the airline because it was losing so much money. Okay, the second meaning of bail out is remove water from something that is flooded. Remove water from something that is flooded. The example is the boat was leaking, so they had to bail it out. The boat was leaking, so they had to bail it out. Okay, my dear friends. The third meaning of bail out is jump out of a plane because it was going to crash. Okay, jump out of a plane because it was going to crash. Example is the pilot bailed out when he saw that the engines had failed. So there are three meanings of bailout. First one is save or rescue. Second one is remove the water from something that is flooded, and the third one is jump out of a plane because it is going to crash. Okay. Next phrasal verb is bail out of. Bail out of. Okay, and the meaning of this phrasal verb is pay a bond to release someone from jail. Pay a bond to release someone from jail. The example one is I must bail my drunken brother out of jail. I must bail my drunken brother out of jail. To bail out of means pay a bond to release someone from jail. Next phrasal verb is bail out on. Bail out on. It means stop supporting someone when they are in trouble. Okay. Bail out on. It means stop supporting someone when they are in trouble. The example is everybody bailed out on him when the scandal broke. Everybody bailed out on him when the scandal broke. Means everybody stopped supporting him when the scandal broke. Okay, scandal means you can say some illegal things. Scandal. Okay, wail up, wail up. The meaning of wail up is talk to someone and delay them. Talk to someone and delay them. The example one is I was late because he bailed me up on the phone and wouldn't shut up. And wouldn't shut up. Okay, so bail up means talk to someone and delay them. The second meaning of bail up is rob someone at gunpoint. Bail up means rob someone at gunpoint. He was balled up. He was bailed up by a couple of muggers as he came out of the bank. He was bailed up by a couple of muggers as he came out of the bank. So there are two meanings of bail up. First meaning is talk to someone and delay them, and the second meaning is rob someone at gunpoint. Rob someone at gunpoint. Okay. नेक्स्ट फ्रेजल वर्ब इज बॉल अप. ठीक है, बॉल अप. बॉल अप मीन्स कंफ्यूज और मेक थिंग्स कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. Ball up means confuse or make things complicated. The example is the new project has balled me up. I have no idea what to do. Okay, the new project has balled me up. I have no idea what to do. The second meaning of ball up is roll or form into a round shape. A roll or form into a round shape. Example is he balled up his napkin when he had finished eating. He balled up his napkin when he had finished eating. Okay, so ball up, roll or form into a round shape. The balls up. Okay, balls up means spoil or ruin. Balls up means spoil or ruin. He ballsed the presentation up. He ballsed the presentation up. So balls up means spoil or ruin, and the example is he balls the presentation up. He ruined the presentation. He destroyed the presentation. He annihilated the presentation. Okay. Next phrasal verb is bang about. Bang about. Bang about means move in a place. Move in a place making a lot of noise. Move in a place making a lot of noise. Okay, and the example is he is banging about in the kitchen. He is banging about in the kitchen. He is banging about in the kitchen. Okay, bang around means move in a place making a lot of noise. Move in a place making a lot of noise. The example is I can hear him banging about upstairs. Okay, I can hear him banging about upstairs. Okay, so you can say the meaning of bang about and bang around is exactly same. Okay, bang on. Bang on means talk at great length. Bang on means talk at great length. Okay, the example is he banged on for an half hour but no one was listening. He banged on for half an hour but no one was listening. So bang on means talk at great length. Bang on about. Bang on about means keep talking about something. Bang on about means keep talking about something. The example is he's always banging on about football. He's always banging on about football. Okay, so bang on about means keep talking about something, and the example is he's always banging on about football. Okay, next phrasal verb is bang out. Bang out means play a musical instrument loudly. Okay, bang out means play a musical instrument loudly. The example is she banged the tune out on the piano. She banged the tune out on the piano. She banged the tune out on the piano. So bang out means होता है, okay, bang out means play a musical instrument. Okay, bang out. Next phrasal verb is bang up. Bang up means put someone in prison. Bang up means put someone in prison. Okay. The judge banged him up for 8 years. The judge banged him up for 8 years. So bang up means put someone in prison. Okay. Bang up means damage badly. Bang up means the second meaning of bang up means damage badly. He banged his car up last night. He banged his car up last night. Bank on. Okay. Bank on means count or rely on. Bank on means count or rely on. I'm banking on your help. I can't do it alone. Okay. सो बैंक ऑन मीन्स होता है इट मीन्स काउंट और रिलाई ऑन, ठीक है। बार्गेन डाउन, बार्गेन डाउन मीन्स परसुएट समवन टू ड्रॉप द प्राइस ऑफ समथिंग दे आर सेलिंग, ओके। बार्गेन डाउन मीन्स I bargained her down to half what she originally wanted. I bargained her down to half what she originally wanted. Okay. Bargain for. The last phrasal verb of this class is bargain for. Bargain for means expect something to happen. Okay. Expect something to happen usually. Okay. Ex. Okay. So bargain for, it means it means it means expect something to happen usually negative, means expect something to happen and usually negative. The example is I hadn't bargained for so many people coming. I had bargained for so many people coming. Okay, my dear friends. So we discussed most important phrasal verbs. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed it. So I hope, I want, I expect you to revise it very carefully, to revise it properly, and when you revise it properly regularly, so you can remember it very carefully, as well as the synonyms or antonyms, okay, that I have taught you. You have to also revise it, so keep revising that concepts, okay. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep doing hard work and keep doing revision, okay. Thank you very much.